Welcome to Study Loop.
So the expression, mathematical expression for gamma is given by 1 over root over of 1 minus v square over c square, where v is the speed of the frame of reference and c is the speed of light. Now, practically, v should always be less than c. Less than equal to maybe for the limiting case, but it should be less than c because the speed of light is way too high to match it up. This means that v over c should be less than equal to 1. Therefore, v square over c square should also be less than equal to 1, and since this is a square, it should be positive as well. So we can write this as 0 less than equal to, 0 less than v square over c square less than equal to 1, because it's always positive. It can be 0 if v is really small, then the ratio becomes close enough to 0, so the equality sign can also be written down over here. Now, because of this condition that v square over c square is always positive and less than 1, you can say that 1 minus v square over c square will always be positive and less than 1. So let me just apply this over here. So let's multiply minus 1 to each of the sides. So that way the inequality sign will get inverted. So you'll have 0 less than equal to negative v square over c square greater than equal to negative 1. Now we will add 1 to each of these. So we will have 1 greater than equal to 1 minus v square over c square greater than equal to 0. So this means that the denominator is always going to be less than 1 and is always going to be positive. And so, therefore, 1 over something which is always less than 1 will result in a value that is always greater than 1. Therefore, the value gamma is always greater than or equal to 1.